What are you selling here? What is this? Oh, I will buy one. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap this one. Oh, you have a knife. Okay, she has a very sharp knife. This is Mekong Delta. Oh, don't cut me, please.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring you on the most epic adventure through Mekong Delta.
This is really sharp. It's dangerous, man.
Getting deep in the ways of life and involving myself with the locals.
Take a safe distance, okay?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna hurt you, I think.
Cooking together with a family.
It's a little bit big, maybe. My balls is a little bit bigger than your balls.
Letting the local population try review my food.
Is it good? Good.
And getting a feel for what it's really like here in Mekong. Let's begin.
So we have now reached the coconut farm, whatever you want to call it. I'm surrounded by 1,000 coconuts, really local style. Everywhere is coconuts. Whoa, man, this is really sharp. It's dangerous, man. How many coconut per day can you do like this? 1,000. How many can I do, you think?
Không đủ đâu, bé.
Cannot. Impossible.
Impossible. I cannot do a single one. This is only for high-skilled people. Very good. That's some really good coconut. Really fresh.
Này nè, miếng này bự nè. Cái này dễ bạo nè. Cái này mềm.
What is it? What's wrong with the other coconut? What? Oh, this is easier. She's trying to make it easier for me. You're too bad. I'll give you a coconut that's really easy instead. Oh, there's goats there. Hello, goats. You must love your job, right? You have the best job, right? Just floating across the river. It's like the most peaceful job ever. If I take over the boat right now, do you think it will sink?
Không có.
It's gonna sink, right?
He believes in you.
She believes in me. Don't believe in me, okay? Don't believe in me. So we have arrived here in the homestay, in her homestay, beautiful homestay. It is located right in the middle of nowhere in the beautiful Mekong Delta. And now we have something. What are we gonna cook here?
Chè trôi nước.
Chè trôi nước.
Kind of sweet soup.
Sweet soup. This is our local guide here. She's gonna show us all the steps. Okay.
Đây là bột nếp.
We have a big bowl here.
The rice flour.
Rice flour.
Sweet potato.
Rice flour and sweet potato. And here is some, what is this?
Coconut milk.
Oh, coconut milk.
This will be the outside and this will be the inside.
Oh, nice.
In this green bean, coconut milk and sugar and sand.
Oh, sugar and salt.
Yes.
Give me the first step on how to make a beautiful like yours. Okay. I think maybe it's okay. It's a little bit big maybe, but I like big balls. My balls is a little bit bigger than your balls. One more time. Okay. This is super hard. Whoa. Does this one look pretty to you? I think this was going to be so challenging. She's really pressuring me here to get it really, really nice and round. Everything?
Yes, mix it all.
Ooh. It feels so lumpy.
I didn't know.
Maybe I should punch it. No, no punching. Can I just make one big ball? What do you think about my skills?
Anh làm vậy tốt không?
It looks good. There we go. That's all the approval I need. Can I eat it? Oh, really? You put it inside? Is this some sort of trick you're playing on me right now? You make a flat... Yeah, you make a flat thing like this. You fill it with one of these balls here, and you just fold it around here. Cover it on. Nice. Man, it's really hot in here. How can you be in here? I want your expertise, my friend. How can I make this good?
Bây giờ mình lấy từ từ bỏ vô nha.
Okay.
Chính nó lần.
It will come up to the top when it's finished.
Nó sẽ nổi lên còn cái sống làm trước.
He wants me to put it in. Wow. Wow.
Nó tự nổi đi.
Yesterday night we cooked some chè in their garden, and now it's early morning here in Mekong Delta, and we're gonna try to sell some of the things we made yesterday night to the local people. Here's the result from yesterday. This is what we boiled in the kitchen. This is the sugary paste that is inside here, and the big balls of chè. I think 2 will be enough, right? I'm not sure. Maybe the local population want to have more than 2.
Cảm ơn.
Come on. This is a totally normal day. Good.
Quá ngon. Ngon. Rồi ok. Đây.
Okay. Here you go, my friend.
Anh đừng nói là hay.
Come on, thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Ngon. Ok. Good.
Is it good?
Good. Ngon. Ngon.
Okay, first stop, we have located a small boat here in the middle of Mekong River, and we're gonna order some food. Come on. I got the first soup here. Oh, beautiful. She has a flower here on the top. First soup of the day. I think this was snake head soup. Huge pieces of snake head. I've never tried snake head before. And we have some shrimp in here. There's a lot of vegetables and some really thin rice noodles. So this is my breakfast here on Mekong Delta. This is my first food of the day. Yeah, that's really good. You have some nice crispy vegetables, really thin, flavorful rice noodles, and this broth here is really nice too. We got another soup here, which is basically some thin pork slices here and some rice noodles, a pork broth with some vegetables here. Oh, you want to buy chair? She want to buy chair? Oh, come on, enjoy. Oh, I got her approval. This is very important, guys. This is for you, boat driver.
Thank you. Chị ăn thử rồi cha. Ngon thiệt.
They love my quack. So a new boat just arrived. Welcome to the party. So what are you selling here? What is this? Oh, this is a rice cake? Rice cake with banana. I will buy one. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap this one. Oh, you have a knife. Okay, she has a very sharp knife. This is Mekong Delta. Oh, don't cut me, please. It's wrapped in a banana leaf. Whoa, what is that? It is super sticky. Oh, nice. You make this?
Mình làm.
Oh, she make it. Okay, I have to like it now. No. Super sticky, and coconut here in the middle. You really know what you're doing. It's really good. So we just showed up here in a cacao farm all of a sudden, and I want to ask you, what is this? I see a lot of fruit here on the tree. Is that part of the cacao?
Yes, it's not ready now.
It's not ready now?
When it's ready, it changes to yellow.
Ah, I see.
Here the cacao beans, this one.
Yeah.
You pay attention to the inner part here.
Oh,
you
it's
use
purple.
This purple part to make chocolate.
Wow.
This part is bitter.
This is the cacao bean, basically.
Yeah.
And that's what becomes the chocolate later on. We're gonna try the outer layer here. It's really slimy, really close to mangoes.
Yes, like mango.
It's really good.
Fermentation helps to create the color, the smells, and the taste of the chocolate.
So the fermentation is really important. So maybe you can show me a little bit about the fermentation.
Yes. Yeah. Sometimes it will invite you to drink beer.
Bye-bye, Joe.
We put it on the top box first, cover on the surface, and after 6 days, the beans will turn to brown color.
Yeah, so they go from purple to brown in 6 days.
Yes, and we take it out and sun dry over there.
Oh, sun dry. Okay, sun dry. Let's go. This is filled with cacao beans in here. Jesus. How long has this been sun-dried so far?
6 to 7 days.
6 to 7 days. And these ones? How long have these ones been?
This one about, I think about 3 days.
3 days, so it's a half through the process.
Yes,
oh, so this is the very thin shell, and inside here is the this is the cacao bean in here. Oh, that's sour. That's really sour.
Yeah.
Put it back in the pile. This is the finished product?
Yeah, this is the right one.
Oh my god. It's like a bunch of Legos coming together. I want to really try some of your chocolate. Do you have some chocolate for me?
Of course.
What is this inside here?
Cocoa powders, condensed milk, and hot water. Very delicious. Very
delicious.
Good smell.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's good. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
It's really like buttery.
You know, hot chocolate is very good for our heart, our skin.
And for love, I've heard. The more you pour, the more love I feel. I think you should have one with me for love. Don't worry, you will not fall in love with me that easily, okay? How much chocolate do you have per day?
2 or 3 plus.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say kilos first. Yo!
Yeah.
Still the same flavor as yesterday? Something changed?
Yes, sir.
The same. That's a good thing, by the way. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Okay,
you're welcome.
come on. Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna eat you, okay? Yet. We're right now in the Mekong Delta forest. Beautiful environment, just trees and ducks. All you can find coconuts. And apparently it's a high possibility we might die because there's coconut trees here.
Because the coconut love tiger.
Yeah, they love tiger. They love me. They love killing me. Why are we here in this forest right now?
We are going to plant a tree in the Mekong Delta. 2050, Mekong Delta will be flooded. We have to take action now. If not, the beautiful thing like this will only be in the memory of people.
We bought a plant and I'm supposed to make my part. Very beautiful plant. You can take a look
Yes,
here.
with many fruits and
Many
flowers.
So I'm going to make my part, my change for this campaign by planting a tree as well.
One tree lasts 1,000 years.
1,000 years! Wow, so what kind of plant is this, by the way? I see some sort of like
Type of citrus.
citrus. It's like a mix between lime and orange, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I will grab the shovel.
Do it.
I will do it. Take a safe distance, okay?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna hurt you, I think. Whoa! And I will put down this tree and I will make a difference in Mekong Delta. And my shoes. I will come back here in 1,000 years and I will visit my plant.
You can just come back a few months later.
Okay, maybe that's easier than 1,000 years.
Yes.
Thank you so much for letting me come here and trash your garden. Make a difference. Okay, thank you so much for joining my adventure in Mekong Delta. I had a great time. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and tell me what you think of the video. And also make sure to check out Innoviet Tour Company. They made this whole trip possible. They're one of the longest running tour companies in Saigon. They focus on less touristic tours, so make sure to check them out. And as always, guys, stay hungry.